After 20 years of studying the scriptures rigorously, I've come to a conclusion.
Mm-hmm.
There's things in there I don't fully understand,
Yeah. Mm.
and there's things in there that it hurts my flesh.
Mm.
Mm.
Same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Forgiving someone that hurts you can
It's
be
hard.
difficult.
Yeah.
Right. So there's things in there that hurt my flesh.
Mhm.
But I've come to this conclusion. I want to say this right here on this podcast.
Yes, sir.
People need to listen. I've come to this conclusion after 20 years of studying the scriptures and preaching. I've come to this conclusion. I've realized, I watch, when I look at my own failures,
Mm-hmm.
my own sinful nature,
Mm-hmm.
the people I've hurt, the people I've wounded, the relationships I've damaged, the opportunities I've lost, when I look at all the hurt that human beings are suffering,
Mm.
the tears you've shed, the tears you've shed, the tears I've shed, the tears they've shed,
Mm.
everybody's going through pain.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
The source of our pain
Mm-hmm.
is sin.